Now, anybody left your phone up and testify.
Oh, you see my nostrils? Bye-bye.
Do that again so I can answer it, Bobby.
Hello. You see my nostrils? Bye-bye. You didn't answer. I know you didn't answer. But you see my nostrils? Oh, you see my ears too? Oh. Surprise. Hiya. You see my nostrils? Bye-bye. Uh-oh. Nostrils. Earstrils. Ah!
Who is that?
You see my nostrils? Bye-bye.
I was hoping you'd bring me Avon.
Avon.
Don't forget, you're going to do the nose?
Maybe I don't.
Nasal? Who is that?
Look at the video.
I don't have my phone with me. What'd you do? What did you do?
You see my nostrils? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later, alligator.
Wait. Mario's nostrils.
Oh my God, now I got Mario.
Oh my God. Bye. Take me to the river. Put me in the water.
I brought your garbage in on the cherry.
Is this a new ring camera? My nostril. Hello.
There! Who's there?
See?
Oh my God! Now I got two of you doing that. Oh my God!
We got your garbage can.
Thank you.
Okay. Maybe not, but we should still go. Come on, let's go. Go.
Oh my God!
We cut off our noses and put them in Auntie Sherry's mailbox. And when she got her mail, we sniffed her. Then we walked up behind her and stole our noses back and put them back on our face. And Bobby put Colby in the trash can along with the large penguin he put in there early. He then wheeled it away to the curb and jumped in the car with Grandma and Grandpa, and they drove away. They got home and ate some sea monkeys. They also had some mango tangerine juice and lived happily ever after. Meanwhile, the trash truck came by and picked up Auntie Cherie's trash can, and Kobe and the large penguin were in the trash truck along with Stitches the clown. Stitches said something vulgar. He said, "You fucked me up. You're such a bitch," which was not very nice. Kobe tried to argue, but he couldn't argue with Stitches' friend, Clown on Stilts, who is the greatest of all time, or the GOAT for sure. Now the four of them were all in the trash truck as it pulled by Grandma's house. Bobby eventually realized what he may have done to Kobe. "He's in there," he shouted, but Grandma did not believe Bobby. "Come on, Kobe, large penguin, Stitches, and the GOAT are in there. We need to save them." So then, Bobby, Grandma, and Grandpa chased the trash truck, but the big mechanical arm grabbed the car and carried them to the sewage plant when out of nowhere, Dagger Mike started dropping his daggers all over the trash man and goring him like a horse. The car then dropped under the roll, and Bobby climbed into the trash truck to save Kobe and the others. Stitches said, "Fuck you." And Bobby said, "Thanks, you too." Bobby decided to leave the clowns, but he saved Large Penguin and Kobe. Everyone got in the car and drove home. Auntie Cherie came over for ice cream, but still hasn't forgiven Bobby and Kobe for what they did. Henry Hustle decided to eat them all, but now Swirls is on the hunt for Henry because he didn't save him a snack. To be continued.